Forward. Good. Halt. Oop, that wasn't good. There you go. Good girl. Forward. Good. Halt. That was better. We're going to go one more before she gets rewarded. Forward. She's getting anxious with the hops. And just ignore her. Halt. Okay, exercise finished. Good. All right, let's go a little bit more since she's still sitting there. Forward.
Yep.
Ah, I got a good correction in. All right, normal about turn this time. If she starts bouncing, give a little pull on the leash, not much. And then tell her, give her your heel command again. There you go. There. About turn. Very good. Halt. Exercise finished.